Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you change your basis in Bitget, also known as time zone. Now if you would like to change your time zone in Bitget, you just simply have to open the Bitget application, and after that tap to this dotted icon into the top left corner. Just simply tap there, and after that you will just simply have to select this gear icon into the top right corner. Simply select that, and after that you will get this option of change basis directly. Simply tap to change basis and you will get to select between all of these time zones in this section. Just simply select any of the time zone which will be suitable for you. I'm selecting this UTC plus 10 time zone in here. This way you can very easily change the basis in Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.